quick overview of the Discount Ninja app. This app allows you to create multiple offers. Most people are looking for how to stack like free shipping with a discount code. Well, Shopify out of the box doesn't allow you to do that. So you can't, it was stupid, but whatever. You can't offer a discount code and then offer free shipping method unless you do it programmatically, and even then it doesn't work on the the checkout screen. So you have to do it all on the cart. This kind of works the same way because this is not a Shopify Plus plan. If you had a Shopify Plus plan where you're paying X dollars per month and you have all the access to that code, you have complete control over the checkout screens. So all of the other Shopify plans, the ones that are $29.95 and above up to $2.99, do not allow the ability for you to actually edit the checkout page. So we installed this app. I'm not going to go through it. It is a paid app. It does offer a free trial, 13 days. So once it's installed and you've approved the charge, this one's installed actually on the debut theme. There are multiple themes, obviously it needs to be installed on, and then they will do the install for you as well. So if you do have a problem, or you can reach out to us and we can go ahead and help you out with the actual installation for a fee, of course. So if you go ahead and click on Discount Ninja here, we've created a 20% off coupon with free shipping over $75. So it does, when you click on the app, it does have to load, go out to their system, and then authenticate, and then come back into your Shopify store. So that's why it does take a little time. So do let it do its work when it does come back to you. If you are at all confused about this, just go ahead and contact us, and we can go ahead and help you out, do a screen share, etc. So if you look at this, he's already making sales. We just installed this a little while ago, and he sent out a mailer, and so it's starting to convert. So if you go through, and we're going to click on promotions here, you can click on create promotion, there's reporting, there's all kinds of settings, etc. So let's just go ahead and look at his existing promotion. So the way that this promotion is created, click on create promotion, and we'll go through that in a moment. But if you look at this, it has a trigger, right? So it's via promotion code. So we created a promotion code within this system, not within the discounts, okay? So we created the promotion code within here, and you can use a shareable link where you can email this to people. And so when you send out your marketing messages, you can put a link in there, or you can just give them the code. And when they go to your website, and they get to your checkout screen, they'll be able to actually enter in, and I'll just bring this over here. Let me just bring this over. There we go. So they'll be able to actually enter in a coupon code here. So if you look at this, I'm going to go ahead and just disable this. My computer lets me do it. Okay. So it's kind of clunky. It's down here. We're probably going to end up moving it. But he has another app installed on here. It's a tiered app, but this Discount Ninja also offers tiered pricing. So you don't need multiple apps to do multiple things, which is really cool. So if I go ahead and enter his coupon code here, and then I hit apply, it's going to give me the promotion, which is $28, is 20% off, and then it's also going to give me free shipping. So I have the free shipping already set up in the back end of Shopify as a free shipping method underneath. You go to settings over here, and then you click on shipping, and you configure free shipping. Well, you don't necessarily need to do that. So you can actually use this app just to give you free shipping. So you don't have to worry about using that. Go into your shipping methods and creating a free shipping method for this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and create a new promotion, and I'm going to do the same exact one, but I'm going to make it with a different code. So I'll go ahead and create the promotion. It does take a minute each time. So I'm going to call this Cali 30, and it's going to be 30% off, right? And I'll call it free. Okay. Off and free shipping. So what I want to do is I want to give every product in the store 30% off the order and give them free shipping. So if you look at this, it'll walk you through the steps. So click on next, and then here's where it gets a little difficult, right? So you got to pick your offer. So do you want to do percentage off products, fixed amount off a product, and then offer, this is the product level. So offer a product level discount based on the value of the content of the cart. Product level offers show a discount at the cart line level. In Discount Ninja, we can define multiple promotions that have a product level offers. Note that product level offers do not stack. So this means that if it doesn't stack, it means that you can't offer a discount and then have free shipping. Okay, so you'd want to select the next one down, which is the order level. So I'm not going to show you the rest of those just because we're trying to fix one problem. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you can see the rest of the stuff that this thing does. It does a lot of things, so Discount Ninja is pretty cool. We have tested other apps. This one seems to be the one that's the most stable and works pretty well. There are other ones obviously available. You can go ahead and try them out yourself, but this is one we found out that works really well. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a product discount, right? So we want to do a percentage off the product. So we're going to do off the order though. So an order level discount based on the value of the content of this cart. Order level offers show a discount at the cart subtotal level, right, where I just showed you. They always stack on top of product level offers, and they can optionally stack on top of other order level offers. This means that if you have another app, like a tiered pricing app or something else that's offering discounts or doing some kind of change, buy one, get ones, things like that with other apps, this thing will allow you to use this in conjunction. Obviously, you're going to have to test it to see if it works together. And if the other app does one thing, like for instance, there are apps that just do tiered pricing. This does tiered pricing as well, so you can do your tiers here. So you can get rid of, go through and test it obviously, but you can get rid of that other app if you don't want to use that one anymore or pay for multiple apps. So we're going to go ahead and offer free shipping here. You can roll these little question marks and it give you information here. So I'm going to go ahead and select, actually I'm going to do the product first. So I'm going to do the product discount. So I want to do percentage off a product at the order level. So I'm going to go ahead and do a percentage. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then you select configure over here, and then let it go through its process. Okay, so now I want to enter my discount. So in this case, I want it to be 30%. It's a lot, but whatever. So here's my discount. You can do fixed pricing. There's order level, and then there's product level. So order level discounts, discount percentage off promoted products calculated at the order level. That means when you get to, so here you go, stacks when combined with other offers, order level can be combined with a Shopify discount code. So say for instance you have a discount code in addition to this thing and you want to have more, you can also offer that code, okay? So they can have code number 1 that they enter on the checkout screen, and then they have code number 2 that this code they're going to use and enter it into the cart page. So product level discount, percentage off on each promotional product in the order, calculated at product or order line level. I kind of just select that one just to make it a little easier. So now if you look at that, it says when multiple offers apply to the same product, the app will determine which offer is the best offer for each product, lowest price, and applies it automatically. Can be combined with Shopify discount code at checkout. So you figure out which one you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Okay, so here are the blocks, right? So these are the notifications that you're going to see on the screen on the front end. So if you want to turn on sticky, what'll happen is when they get this discount, it's going to pop up a bar at the top of your website. This notification will pop up a little screen on the bottom left-hand side of your site. So you turn it off just because it's annoying. There's a countdown clock, so if you're trying to, offer, scarcity on a product or a promotion, you can do that as well. And then it says show discounted prices on the cart, product, and collection pages. It says show, so it's going to show on these pages. I could detick those or whatever if I don't want to show those, but I'll show it on there because I want them to see the discounts they're getting. Otherwise, you don't have to do that, right? So I want them to see these promotions, right? Free shipping and my promotion. So now I come down to collection blocks if I wanted to see on the collection page. Blocks are designed to help communicate the offer to visitors, increase conversion, the text and style on the blocks. So they're going to put it again at the top what the discount is. I can go ahead and turn that off for this one. I don't want be annoying anyone. Product page blocks. Cart page, there's the cart text, so that's what we're seeing here. And then you got the promotion summary, which actually tells you at the bottom as well. And then you got the drawer, if you have an Ajax one, if it's popping out, and then you have the promotion summary on there. So if you have Ajax styled theme, okay? So if you notice here, it's still inactive, right? So I need to go to the next one, hit next. It's going to save this. And it's going to go to my trigger. So now, if you look at this in the process here, I'm on triggers, and then I can set up frequency, the schedule, when I want it to work, start date, end date. Do I want it to end? Yes or no, right? Targeting, if I wanted to select an audience, I have apply promotions for guests who signed into a customer account, country, refer. So you could play around with all those settings. You could also read the documentation. There's also information here down where it says help. Settings is your all your settings for your account. Feature requests. So say, for instance, you're messing around with this thing and you say, hey, man, this would be really cool if you could go ahead and send that to the developer. There's a what's new notification thing. There's a reporting. Here's promotions, all the promotions that you create. This is the dashboard, the main screen, and then you can create a promotion quickly here, or you can actually expand this drawer and see what everything says right there. Okay, so now I've got, I'm going to go ahead and select my trigger and automatic rules. So choose automatic rule to create a promotion that triggers automatically. The promotion triggers regardless of how the visitor reaches your store. So if they get to your store and this is a promotion that, say you're sending an email, it's like, oh, visit our store. We have everything is 10% off in our store. When they get to your website, they're going to get 10% off, right? So, or 30% off in this case. So I don't want that. I want them to actually enter something, right? Here's the visitor behavior. So if they, spend 10 minutes on the page or whatever, or visit a certain page, or they go to exit or something like that, you can actually configure wait for visitor behavior, and then it changes some of your stuff here. So if you look at this, see frequency, and then you get visitor behavior. So you get another link right here, right? So visitor behavior, you can actually control this as well. So I'm going to go back to triggers, and I want to select shareable link or promotion code, right? So choose a shareable link and promotion code to create promotions. You distribute via paid advertising, blah, 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 right? Okay. So now I've got this promotion right here, and my promotion is Cali 30 free, right? So I'm done with everything that I want to do. I can click on shareable links if I want. This is actually the link that you can use. You can copy this link and use that to send in your page info. You can create additional links and document your use. So if you wanted to create a vanity link, right? So say you wanted to create something that says, Cali Cosmetics / free shipping or something, right? You can click on the vanity link here, and then you can create your vanity link, all right? Homepage, collection, where do you want it to go? So you could play around with all of that. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go back to triggers, okay? And then you've got promotion codes. So if you look at this, it says the promotion can be redeemed using one promotion code field to distribute this code to your audience, right? So you want to turn that on, and then you want to enter the code. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the promotion thing again. Actually, Cali 30 free. All right, so now it says trigger via promotion code right here. Okay, or a shareable link, right? Okay, so best practices, short codes. Now, if you're in here and you're adding this stuff, you may get an error message that it says you need to add this free app. If you noticed over here, Discount Ninja has a sales channel app, and it really is nothing. It's just a little hook for them to be able to connect and help you out and help their app. So if you see that error message, you just go ahead and click it, and it says this. It's called a companion app, and it says, oh, this this feature requires a companion installation. You just click it. It takes 2 seconds for it to install. Just let it do its own thing. It doesn't really do anything for you, but it just allows their app to hook into the sales channels to do things. So you can configure the promotion code field here. So by default, if you look at it, this promotion code is only going to show on the checkout screen. Okay, so it only shows on the checkout screen. It's not going to show on the checkout. I'm sorry, it's going to show on the cart screen. It's not going to show on the checkout screen. And the reason is because Shopify doesn't allow you to control the checkout page, right? So it does allow you to do everything on the cart page. So you can do all of your stuff on the cart page before you send it over to the checkout screen. So this allows you to control that. So it's actually going to remove the checkout code on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, configure here. And so now if I look at this, it says hide promotion code field on the cart page. You don't want to do that. Hide the promotion code field in the drawer cart. You can do that if you want, right? And then where do you want it to show? On all devices, mobile phones, etc. And then you can preview it here. Enter the discount code. This is the preview right here. Okay. So if I put in Cali 30 free and apply, that's the way it looks, right? Okay. So anyway, I can choose the button style. I can mess around with the design, the way it looks, link footer, margin placement, behavior. So here's your behavior. So expand or collapse. So I always leave it expanded so that you can actually see the damn coupon code. If I don't, right, it's going to say, there's going to be a little piece of text right there that says expand, right? So I actually want to move this up above checkout and update probably and put it above this somewhere. So I didn't end up editing the themes cart liquid page, but that's for another video. That's for another time. I would end up moving the script that this pastes in here so that we can add the discount and then above the checkout and the update field. So next, if I go ahead and collapse promotion code, that's the one where it's going to put a text thing there, and you have to click on it in order to collapse it. So you don't want that. All visitors to redeem discount ninja codes using the promotion code field, redeem discount ninja promotion codes. So you can just read through all this, allow visitors to add multiple discount ninja promotion codes in the promotion code field. So they can put in, say for instance, you're giving them a free product and you're giving them, free shipping over $75 and you're giving them the promotion code. You can enter in this promotion code, which is Cali 30 free, right? So you get free shipping and 30% off all products, but then you have one product that you said, oh, I want them to get another 10% off this soap, or I want them to get a free soap or something. This will allow them to enter that additional code and then by a comma. So redeem Shopify discount codes, standard Shopify discounts are supported, group, blah, blah, blah. So they can also apply a discount code from Shopify as well. Let's see here. Advanced settings, not recommended, only accept Shopify discount. Allow all standard Shopify discount codes, allow only standard Shopify discounts that match. So if it matches their selection, then you can set that up. So stack Shopify discount codes, stack Shopify. So configure if the Shopify discount codes that have been applied to the cart using the promotion code field stack. So Shopify discount codes are applied at order level. This option ensures the discount codes stack when combined with other promotions that have been configured to allow stacking. So if this was just a free shipping code, right, and then you have the discount set up in another promotion code, you can just allow this to stack here, okay? Discount code checkout, okay. So I'm going to save. Okay, so now if I scroll up here, this promotion has been saved. Now if I click on promotions, I'll go over here, and you see it says error, offer not triggered to trigger. So it's going to tell me what's wrong with this thing. So I go back into it and edit. Okay, and so it tells you what's wrong with it. Oh. Why didn't it let me go fix it? Failed to load promotion. So it's having a problem loading the promotion that I just created. So I don't know if that's a connectivity issue on their end. Let's see here. Let's try it again. Yeah, so I just went through all that and it's broke. So I haven't had that happen before. So let me just delete it. All right. I'm going to create a new promotion. Let's try to do a little faster. Anyway, I'll call it Cali 40 free. All right. So do that. I'm going to go do the offer next. I want to go ahead and select percentage off of the order level. Select, configure. I'm not going to go through all that stuff again. So I'm going to say it's 40%, percentage off, order level, product level discount, order discount. Yeah, so we're going to select that one. And select next, stacking products, all products, exclusion rules. Okay, next. Okay, so I'm going to turn off this thing. Anywhere else? Turn it off on the collection page. Next. Okay, so we're going to do shareable link. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on a promotion code. Single. Cali. 40 free. Okay. Do all that available. Frequency, targeting. Okay, let's go to next. Your promotion's ready. Click the button below to test. So you can actually test it if you want to. You click on test. Go to test your promotion. So click on test promotion. And let's go ahead and go to products. And he's got a bunch of sales stuff going on. So if you look at it, it does the promotion discount automatically. So let me take a look at this. Did I set it up wrong? Let me see. Oops. Trigger. Shareable link of a promotion code. Okay. Box. Offer. 40% percentage product level. Promotion. Test. Oh, okay. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. Continue. Let's activate it. Nice work. So now it's activated. So what we want to do next is add an offer, another offer to this. Because you first have a promotion, and then you can add multiple offers within a promotion. Okay. So in this case, let's take a look at, actually let me first go back over to the promotions and see what it did here. Continue. Okay, so here we go. So it triggered via promotion code, right? Shareable link, blah, blah, blah. Offer 40% off products, can be combined to checkout, display cart rules. So the next thing we need to do is actually add so this is edit offer, that would be this particular offer. This is copy shareable link, and then I can actually edit the promotion. So that's what I want to do, click on edit, the promotion. And then over here you click on manage offers, right? And so now I got this one offer. So I'm going to add a new offer, which can be the free shipping. So now I scroll down here, and I'm going to go ahead and offer free shipping, select, and then configure. Okay, so I'm going to select, leave it as free shipping, and then free shipping. And then this one has purchase requirements. So they have to order the minimum ad spend, 75 in this case. So it has to be at least $75 on products from any collection. So you can select which collections, and then using the cart totals. So most of the discounts in Shopify are done after, right? So it's, say for instance you have a product that's $76. Technically, I should get free shipping, but what happens is if I enter that coupon code, like say I entered a regular discount code that gave me 20% off that $76, now it's below $75 and it's not going to give me the free shipping. So you want to do you always want to select before discounts. So before any discounts are applied, that's when you're going to give them the free shipping. Okay, so exclusions, blah blah blah. You can mess around with that. Read whatever you want there. So that's it. Set up right there. Hit next. All right, so standard block sticky bar. I got to turn that off. This is annoying. Notification down there. Yeah, so we don't want any of the blocks. Active, dynamic pricing, product page. Just leave it in the cart. Cart, dynamic drawer. There you go. Okay, so we hit next. All right, so now look at this. So I called it Cali 40 free, right? Was the name of the offer. Here's the name of the offer. You can call them whatever you want. I just do that just so I can remember what the code is going to be for the trigger, for the promotion code. So if you read over here now, if you look at this, it says it's triggered via promotion code Cali 40 free for a shareable discount link. Active from March 5th for all visitors with the link or code. Cali 40 free offers 40% on all products, can be combined with a Shopify discount code at checkout. Offer free shipping when visitors spend at least $75. Offers a single custom delivery method, free or discount level. Visitors cannot select other delivery methods at checkout. Valid. This means that they can't select any other shipping options. If you wanted to give them free and then allow them to pay more for another shipping option, you can select the other one, right? The one that was above this offer here. So let me just click on edit and I'll show you. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so let me go back over here to promotions. So now you'll see I've got my new promotion, trigger, offer free. It's exactly like this one above it, pretty much. Offer free shipping when visitors spend at least $75. Yep. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Yep, so it gives you the trigger, it gives you the percentage off, it gives you the free shipping. Okay, so now if I go to the front end of this website here, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. So I have, this is another tiered app over here. So let me just take, let's see, 70, I'm just going to take this out. All right, so now I've got, let's update that. Okay, $86, okay. So now if I enter Cali 40 free, and hit apply, it's going to give me 40% off, and it gives me free shipping. And then it shows me all the discounts, which is really cool. So you save 40%, gives me all the notifications. This is super friendly. And then if I go to the checkout screen, right? So now you notice it gives me my $51.60 and shipping's free. So it does carry over, and then all your line items will be here, so you can see those as well. That's it. Good luck using Discount Ninja for Shopify. And then please go ahead and subscribe, like, do whatever the hell you need to do on here to give me more hits so I can make some money on this channel. Thanks a lot.